Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Dr. Boyce Watkins from Your Black World and the Black Business School. I wanted to share a quick quote with you from a person named Warren Buffett. You probably heard of him if you've been hanging out with me. You know that I have respect and admiration for his ability to build wealth. He was not born a wealthy man. He was probably born middle class, and now he's worth hundreds of billions of dollars or tens of billions or something like that. A lot of money. Anyway, Warren Buffett has this interesting saying where he says that somebody is sitting in the shade today because someone else planted a tree a long time ago. Now I want you to think about that for a second, and I want you to understand that that's pretty much what wealth represents. Most of us live our lives and are affected by something that somebody did in the past. I live in this house because at some point in the past somebody built this house, and now we occupy this house. Right. And wealth is the same way. When you have financial freedom, a lot of people in America have financial freedom due to inherited wealth. And that means that somebody before them, a parent or a grandparent or a great grandparent, made some sacrifices to create a good situation for them now. Now, for people of color, we know the reality. We know that some of the sacrifices made by our ancestors were not accounted for, and they were stolen from them. But that's no excuse for us not to sacrifice for our children. We have to sacrifice for our babies so that our babies can sit in the shade, and all we have to do is plant trees right now. It's not hard to plant trees if you just buy a couple shares of stock every month and leave it in an account and just wait 30-40 years. Those assets will grow into quite a bit of money. Trees grow quite a bit if you let them grow long enough, and that's pretty much actually that's mathematically verified. I'm a finance professor. My PhD's in finance, and I can tell you that most of the equations that discuss how money grows actually came from biology, because the way money grows is very similar to the way a plant grows, or the way an animal grows. So ultimately, what I will say to you, point blank period, is from that quote, just ask yourself, do I want my children and grandchildren to be sitting in the shade, or do I want them burning up in the sun? Do I want them to be protected, or do I want them to be unprotected? Do I want them to be vulnerable to all kinds of economic racism, or do I want them to be insulated from that? Do I want them to have to get up and go slave for somebody who hates them every day, or do I want them to be free? And based on the answer to your question, that will determine whether you plant trees for your children and grandchildren later on down the line. That's all it comes down to, and that's pretty much what it is. All right, well, I'm about to go, guys. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you haven't done that yet. And also, we have a masterclass on investing that meets every Tuesday night at 8 p.m. If you'd like to join, please take a visit to drboycemasterclass.com. That's drboycemasterclass.com. I'll see you guys soon. Have a good day. Be good. Peace.